Not long ago, I had a conversation with an old friend of mine. We had gotten into hanging Christmas lights together, working for another company. But then we had moved on and started our own businesses. I relocated a couple times since then, but usually this time of year we would call and catch up for the season. This year he said he was never going to hang Christmas lights again. Too much stress, too many unsatisfied customers, too many callbacks, too many long nights, and too many early mornings. It was just too much. He was done. And I completely resonate with that. I actually felt that way not many years ago. But this year, even though it was probably my biggest season yet, it was also my most stress-free season yet. Don't get me wrong, there's still callbacks, fixes you have to make, and you still have to fit a lot of work into a little bit of time. But all in all, it was relatively easy. As a matter of fact, this year I had more clarity than chaos and more of a feeling of being organized than being overwhelmed. And that's because I had systems in my business that were doing much of the thinking for me so I could just keep things moving. And all those systems were built around Jobber. It made a tremendous difference this year. Let's start at the beginning with quoting because when people want Christmas lights installed, they want it done as quickly as possible. Now, it's pretty common knowledge that the faster you respond, the more likely it is that you're actually going to land the job. So time is definitely of the essence, and time is something that Jobber saves a lot of with their quote templates. You prepare a template in advance with all the different line items that you would possibly want to include, and then you simply create a quote based off of that template, and in less than 60 seconds, you can have exact prices with optional line items and a full description of what all is included in your service. Terms and conditions, you don't have to think about it. The customer can select the ones that they want to include or deselect what they don't want. You can also make things non-optional like the roof line. I don't let people get lights without the roof line. That's what I'm here for. But if they want to add on more, they have all the options right at their fingertips with the prices showing at the bottom total as well. There's also photos for each element so that they can see exactly what it looks like and have an idea of what they're actually adding to their bid. From there, I can create the quote and text or email it to them, get notified when they look at it. So I'm ready to go as soon as they're ready to book. Now, as soon as they confirm the quote, I go ahead and get it scheduled. And from there, Jobber takes it over. They send automated reminders a week and 2 days before the appointment, just in case anything comes up. Maybe the customer wants to add some extra elements. And so we're ready to hit the ground running when we arrive. It virtually eliminates no-shows. And when we're on our way to the appointment, we just click a button and it sends them a text message that we're on our way, so we don't even have to knock on their door. We're going to take care of business and email them the invoice with Jobber payments right after we finish. No doubt this year, the biggest game changer has been Jobber's AI Receptionist. This year, I decided to go ahead and give Jobber's AI Receptionist a shot. I've dabbled with it. I have it turned on for emergency situations. But this year, I said every single Christmas light lead would come through that Jobber Receptionist. Now, this includes both text and calls. And in both situations, I was actually very pleasantly surprised. I did lose one potential lead, but I was actually kind of grateful because they wanted me to hang their lights anyways. And when I did finally get a hold of them, they were pretty perturbed that I had an AI receptionist going, and that was their biggest beef. I had an opportunity where I could have turned things around, but I decided I didn't want to do business with them anyways. With that said, Jobber's AI receptionist was able to get all of the pertinent information that I needed so that whether in the middle of the night or early in the morning, I could go ahead and throw together their quote really quickly and send it to them, and we were off to the races from there. On top of that, every single customer was given that same phone number so that when they needed us to come back, Jobber automatically responded to their text message or phone call and created a task within Jobber on my calendar so that I knew where to go and when to take care of it. It was amazing. That's making sure nothing gets through the cracks, and it makes sure all of my customers are 100% satisfied with a stellar level of customer service. Now, after the job, there's another series of automations that occur. Jobber automatically sends a request for a Google review, which if you're not getting Google reviews, are you in business? A few days later, Jobber sends them another email with a link so that they can refer us to their friends. And the cool thing about Jobber is that it tracks everything. So every single paying customer that comes as a referral from that link automatically gets credited to that person's account. So no, this year was not chaotic for me. I wasn't drowning. I wasn't overwhelmed because the systems took care of everything. Whether I was hanging lights or one of my employees was cleaning windows, everything was taken care of and nothing fell through the cracks. If you want the same clarity and calmness during your busiest season of the year, go ahead and give Jobber a try. There's a link in my description below and you'll be able to save 20% over the next few months, or even just try it out for a couple weeks for free. You have nothing to lose, and it could make a very positive impact on your business. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next video.